Welcome to Vintero. Today, we bring you a detailed look into a vehicle that is redefining the future of electric SUVs. This is the Toyota bZ4X Plus 2025, a car that combines innovative design, cutting-edge technology, and sustainable performance. Toyota has always been at the forefront of automotive engineering, and with the bZ4X Plus 2025, they take another bold step into the electric future. This video is your complete guide to every feature, every specification, and every detail of this remarkable vehicle. The first thing you notice about the Toyota bZ4X Plus 2025 is its bold and modern exterior. The glossy pearl white paint reflects the showroom lights perfectly, emphasizing the sleek lines and sculpted bodywork. The front fascia is aggressive yet refined, featuring sharp LED headlights and a unique grille design that clearly distinguishes it as a next-generation electric SUV. The aerodynamic design is not just for looks, it improves efficiency, reduces drag, and enhances stability at higher speeds. From a side profile, the muscular stance of the SUV becomes apparent. The wheel arches are subtly flared, giving it a confident posture while maintaining a compact footprint suitable for both city streets and open highways. As you move to the rear, the continuous LED light bar stretches across the width, creating a modern and distinctive look. The rear bumper and spoiler integrate seamlessly into the overall design, giving the car a futuristic yet elegant presence. Every angle, from low front shots to top-down views, reveals the precision and care taken in its design. The alloy wheels, with intricate patterns, complement the vehicle's aesthetics while ensuring durability and functionality. Stepping inside the cabin, the Toyota bZ4X Plus 2025 continues to impress. The interior is designed to be intuitive, luxurious, and comfortable. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials, offering support and comfort for both short commutes and long journeys. The stitching and textures are meticulously crafted, highlighting Toyota's commitment to detail. Ambient lighting adds a calming effect, while large panoramic windows make the cabin feel spacious and open. The central touchscreen display is sleek and user-friendly, providing access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and more. All controls are placed ergonomically, ensuring that the driver can focus on the road without distraction. The dashboard features a modern digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information in a clear and concise manner. From speed to battery range, every detail is presented in an intuitive layout. The steering wheel feels solid and comfortable, with a soft touch and responsive controls. The center console provides practical storage solutions, wireless charging for devices, cup holders, and additional compartments to keep the cabin organized and clutter-free. Performance is where the bZ4X Plus 2025 truly shines. Built on Toyota's advanced electric platform, this SUV offers impressive acceleration, precise handling, and a smooth, quiet ride. Its all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction in various road conditions, making it suitable for city driving, highways, and light off-road adventures. The suspension system strikes a perfect balance between comfort and control, absorbing bumps while keeping the car stable during cornering. The electric motors deliver instant torque, providing a responsive and thrilling driving experience while maintaining energy efficiency. Battery technology in the bZ4X Plus 2025 allows for long-range travel without compromising performance. Charging is simple and fast, supported by Toyota's growing network of charging stations. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with advanced safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking, and a full suite of sensors and cameras to enhance driver awareness and prevent collisions. This integration of technology ensures that every journey is safe, smooth, and enjoyable. From the interior comfort to exterior design, the Toyota bZ4X Plus 2025 caters to families, adventure seekers, and technology enthusiasts alike. The rear seats fold easily to expand cargo space, while the front trunk offers additional storage, demonstrating the clever use of EV design. Every detail, from the dashboard layout to the finish of the door panels, showcases Toyota's dedication to quality, functionality, and sustainability. In conclusion, the Toyota bZ4X Plus 2025 is not just an electric SUV, it is a statement about the future of mobility. It blends style, performance, and eco-conscious technology in a single, cohesive package. Whether you are commuting in the city, taking a weekend road trip, or exploring new terrain, the bZ4X Plus offers a confident, comfortable, and technologically advanced driving experience. With its elegant design, luxurious interior, cutting-edge features and sustainable performance, the Toyota bZ4X Plus 2025 is poised to become one of the most desirable electric vehicles of its generation. As you explore every shot of this vehicle, from close-ups of the headlight and wheel details to wide-angle interior views and exterior walkarounds, you begin to understand the meticulous craftsmanship, attention to detail, and innovative technology that define this SUV. This is the future of electric mobility. This is the Toyota